Question number 2 का A. Answer the following question in one sentence. Any 10 question. Chapter 1 में से What are the stomata? तो the stomata tiny pores on the upper and lower surface of leaves are called stomata. Second, what are the function of green pigment? The function of green pigment is to absorb solar energy from sunlight for photosynthesis. Third number question, what is starch? So starch is one kind of carbohydrate. It is a complex from the carbohydrate. What is Cuscuta arborvitae? Cuscuta is a leafless. Parasitic plants with yellow stem growing on any host tree. Next, what is the anterior organ of small intestine called? What is the anterior region of small intestine called? The anterior region of small intestine is called duodenum. Which digestive juice mix with the food in small intestine? In small intestine, 3 digestive juice: bile, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice mixed with food. Next question, what is the function of mucus in the stomach? The mucus protects the lining of the stomach. What is the function of Pesopodia in amoeba? Pesopodia in amoeba capture the food and help in movement. Chapter number 3 में से usually in which season are the hair of sheep removed? So usually the hair of sheep are removed in summer hot weather season. Second, what is selective breeding? So the process of selecting parent for obtaining special characters in their offspring and termed as selective breeding. Mention the stage of life history of silk moth. The stages of life history of silk moth: first egg, second larva यानी caterpillar, third pupa and fourth silk moth. Mention the different type of silk. The different types of silk are mulberry silk, tassar silk, eri silk and muga silk, etc. Next, what is heat? The heat is one form of energy. What is the use of thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the substance. Which type of clothes gives protection from cold in winter. Woolen cloth given protection from cold in winter. What is the sea breeze? In the coastal region during the day, the flow of cool air from the sea towards the land to replace the hot air on land is called the sea breeze. Chapter number 5. How are bases to taste and touch? How are bases to taste and touch? The bases are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. What are indicators? The substance used to examine whether the given substance is acidic or basic are called indicators. From where is litmus extract? Litmus is extract from lichens. What happens when soap is applied on the stain of turmeric on the clothes? When soap is applied on the stain of turmeric on the cloth, it turns red. लिटमस पेपर रेड हो जाता है. What are included in the physical properties of substance? The shape, volume, color, and state of a substance are included in the physical properties of an object. What is rust? Due to rusting, a film of brushing iron oxide is formed on the iron. This substance is called rust. What happens if the magnesium strip is brought near the candle flame? If the magnesium strip is brought near the candle flame, it's burned with the brilliant white light and it leaves behind a powdery ash of magnesium oxide. Out of wood, coal, kerosene and LPG which causes least pollution as a fuel. LPG causes least pollution as a fuel. यानी कि इन सभी में से जो है वो LPG जो है वो फ्यूल पॉल्यूशन है. What are the main elements of the weather? The main elements of the weather are the temperature, humidity, rainfall, winds, speed, etc. Who prepares the weather reports in India? The weather reporters in India are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. What is called hot and humid climate? If at a place there is high temperature with heavy rainfall for a major part of the year, then its climate is called hot and humid. What is the adaptation of red-eye frog? Red-eye frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. What is wind? What is wind? The moving air is called wind. फिर है what is main reason for blowing of wind? तो air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the pressure is low. This is the main reason for flowing winds. In which area do thermometers develop very frequently? Thunderstorm develop ये thunderstorm है. Thunderstorm develop very frequently in hot, humid tropical areas like India. यहाँ in which बोला है तो यहाँ हम बोल देंगे इंडिया. Hot and humid tropical areas like India. फिर what is tornado? A dark funnel shaped rotating cloud that reach from the sky to the ground is called a tornado. Chapter number 9. What is soil profile? What is soil profile? A vertical section through a different layer of the soil is called the soil profile. Mention the characteristics in which each layer of soil differs. Each layer of soil differs in texture, color, depth, and chemical composition. Mention the components of soil composition. The components of soil composition are graves, sand, clay, and humus. Which factors play significant role? Significant role in the process of breaking down of rocks. So wind, water, and climatic factors play significant role in the process of breaking down of rocks. यहाँ पर जो है वो हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए कंप्लीट होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का बी. गिव 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस. अब हमें जो है वो इन पॉइंट्स पर डिफरेंट लिखना है. पैरासाइट एंड सेप्टोट्रॉप्स, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, नेचुरल सिल्क एंड आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क, हीट एंड टेम्परेचर, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer, good conductor of heat and bad conductor of heat, conduction and convection, acids and salt, physical change and chemical change, weather and climate, polar region and tropical region, clay soil and sandy soil. तो इतने हमें डिफरेंस दिए गए हैं. इनमें से हमें एनी 3 डिफरेंसेस लिखना है. तो सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं सैंडी सॉइल एंड लोमी सॉइल. clay soil and sandy soil. First point है the proportion of fine particles is relatively higher in it. Second point है clay particles pack tightly together leaving little space of air in clay soil. Sandy soil में the proportion of large particles is higher in it. Sand particles do not fit closely together and there are large space between them. Percolation rate of water is less and good water holding capacity. Percolation rate of water is more than and poor holding capacity. ये फर्स्ट हमारा डिफरेंट था. सेकंड डिफरेंट देख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट है वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट द वेदर में the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place is called weather and the average weather pattern take over a long time is called climate of place. Second point है weather में weather can vary over very short period of time. Climate of a place is fixed so it cannot change for very short period of time. और सेकंड है हमारा पोलर रीजन एंड ट्रॉपिकल रीजन. द रीजन नियर बाय द नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल ऑफ अर्थ इज कॉल्ड पोलर रीजन. द रीजन लोकेटेड अराउंड द इक्वाटर इज कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिकल रीजन. सेकंड पॉइंट दिस रीजन इज कवर्ड विथ स्नो एंड इट्स वेरी कोल्ड फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. This region has rainforest and the climate is hot and humid. तो ये था हमारा डिफरेंट. नेक्स्ट डिफरेंट देख लेते हैं. फिजिकल चेंज एंड केमिकल चेंज. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज लाइक शेप, वॉल्यूम, कलर, स्टेट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस चेंज. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सब्सटेंस चेंज. Substance with new properties are not formed. Substance with new properties are formed. यहाँ देखो not form है, यहाँ form है, यानी कि यहाँ हमें केमिकल चेंजेस में नई प्रॉपर्टीज मिलती हैं जबकि फिजिकल में नहीं मिलती हैं. They are generally reversible change. They are generally irreversible change. ये जो है वो जनरली चेंज होता है, रिविजिबल है, और ये इरिविजिबल चेंजेस है. नेक्स्ट है एसिड सॉल्ट, बेस सॉल्ट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट दे आर सोर टू टेस्ट, यानी कि एसिड जो है उसको टेस्ट करने में वो खट्टा महसूस होता है. दे आर सोल्टी और एस्ट्रेनेजेट to taste. They are turn blue litmus paper red. Mostly they do not effect of litmus paper, यानी salt जो है वो लिटमस पेपर पर इफेक्ट नहीं करता है जबकि एसिड जो है वो इफेक्ट करता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट है हमारा बेस एंड सॉल्ट. दे आर सोपी टू टच, इसको छूने से हमें साबुन जैसा महसूस होता है. दे आर नॉट सोपी टू टच, सॉल्ट को हमें ऐसा नहीं महसूस होता है. दे टर्न रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू. मोस्टली दे डू नॉट इफेक्ट टू द लिटमस पेपर, है ना. इसमें ये जो है ये इसके अंदर भी यही सिर्फ थोड़ा सी जो है वो चेंज है. अब इसमें देखो यहाँ दिया है कि एसिड जब हम डालते हैं तो ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड हो जाता है और बेस जब हम डालते हैं तो रेड लिटमस पेपर ब्लू हो जाता है. तो ये थे हमारे डिफरेंसेस जो यहाँ कंप्लीट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 स्टार्ट होगा। डायग्राम विथ एक्सप्लेन।